I, 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 I am Maria. I am Maria. I am happy. I am happy. I am a student. I am a student. I am ready. I am ready. You. You. You are my friend. You are my friend. You are smart. You are smart. You are a teacher. You are a teacher. You are at school. You are at school. He he is my brother. He is my brother. He is tall. He is tall. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. He is tired. He is tired. She is my sister. She is my sister. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. She is my sister. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. She is at the office. She is at the office. We are friends. We are friends. We are students. We are students. We are at the library. We are at the library. We are happy today. We are happy today. You, plural. You. You are my classmates. You are my classmates. You are funny people. You are funny people. You are at the party. You are at the party. You are good singers. You are good singers. They are strong. They are strong. They are my parents. They are my parents. They are good players. They are good players. They are happy. They are happy. Let's practice. I have a pen. I have a pen. They have pens. They have pens. She has a pen. She has a pen. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. They are teachers. They are teachers. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. They play soccer. They play soccer. We play soccer. We play soccer. You play soccer. You play soccer. They eat. They eat. They eat. I eat. I eat. I eat. She eats. She eats. She eats. I run. I run. I run. They run. They run. They run. He runs. He runs. He runs.